FatedFreedom.com, as part of our Make Money Work for You, or You Will Always Work for Money series, presents options expert Steve Suminski, founder of Wealth Foundations, a financial literacy education organization.
Hello everybody, I'm Steve Suminski. I've been trading stocks and options online starting about 25 years ago, about a quarter of a century ago, before there really was an internet. I used to trade on something called Prodigy using a dial-up modem. And so I was really into trading online as soon as I could because I really wanted to take control of my trading and my financial future. Didn't want to have to rely on advisors or mutual funds or anything like that. I also have been teaching for over a dozen years. And so my father was a teacher. I have the heart of a teacher and the mentality of a trader is what I like to say. And what I'd like to point out to you is that there's really different levels of people. Now, some folks don't want to learn about trading stocks and options. They'd rather just dump their money in a mutual fund, let somebody else manage it for them. And there's a price to be paid for that, a pretty good sized price to be paid for that. In that, the average mutual fund is going to cost you lots of different fees. Notice fees like paperwork fees and custodial fees, and in addition to sometimes you'll pay an advisor fee, sometimes 1%, 1.5%, or even as much as 2%. And oftentimes when you account for these fees, these mutual funds do not even outperform the overall market. We like to avoid those types of things. We want to take total control, also knowing that we can easily outperform the mutual fund folks. There are certain things that we're going to look for. We're going to have criteria for knowing when to actually short things and then learn how to actually make money on the downside. Now that's really, really fun. When you can learn to make money on a market that's falling, now we're really, really having fun. And then for those of you who don't have big accounts, for those of you that want to create cash flow strategies or play the markets up, down, or sideways, or make money just for holding things over time, making money from time decay. There's lots of different ways to trade using options. I like to say options give you options. That's why they call them options. My goal is to teach you how to trade options properly.
Join us for How to Win Big in a Bear Market, a free live webinar Friday, February 7th at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The webinar is free, but you must register to attend. Register at FatedFreedom.com. There's a link in the description.